Today I'm going to be demonstrating assembly and basic use of the Leading Edge V-Sharpener. Before I start, it's very important to have some type of lubrication on the angle adjusting threads for the angle adjusting nut threaded system. I use Gunny Glide graphene based lubricant sold on Gritomatic, but you can use any other type of lubrication on the threads. So the Leading Edge V-Sharpener will be sold on gritomatic.com. So we'll have the main base, stone holders, angle adjusting thread and nut, your angle guides, pivot nut, pivot screws and pivot nuts. So let's start with the main base. Take one of the stone holders with the stone clamp side facing inwards in one of the middle slots. Slot that in there. Take one of my pivot screws. You can lubricate this pivot itself a little bit if you like. Mine is already slightly lubricated. Pop that in there. Pivot nut on the opposite side. I'll take my second stone holder into the slot. Pivot screw through the hole. Pivot nut on the opposite side. So this will be the basic concept of how the V-Sharpener works. Holding your 6-inch stones. We also have a 4-inch stone version in these slots here. Adjusting them open and close depending on the stone. Next step we're going to be taking is assembling the angle adjuster nut and threaded system. So let's just move this to the side a little bit. Now this is where it's very important to lubricate all these threads before installing them into the nuts. Okay, so let's install the threads into the pivot nuts itself, the pivot adjusting nuts. So you'll see a smooth recessed side and a coarse side. The short thread goes into the smooth recessed side, the long one into the coarse side. And again, it's very important to lubricate these threads so you've got a smooth action for adjusting your angles. So let's take a short thread, some lubrication on that, install it into the recessed side, clockwise thread on this side, get the lubrication into the threads, opposite side, some lubrication on the threads. Opposite side is an anti-clockwise thread, so opposite to how you would normally thread a screw. The thread into the lubrication into the threads a little bit. Now we'll do the second one, same thing. Let's lubricate these threads. Take the short one into the recessed side, clockwise thread, long one, lubricate it into the coarse non-recessed size anti-clockwise thread. Now these are ready to be installed on the sharpener itself. So we'll take the long side into the top where the stone holder is, align these nicely into the hole, into the bottom, and they're nicely aligned. We'll take one of our angle guides Now one will obviously go one side, another one on the other side. They are opposite mirror images of each other. So the way I like to install these is with the text on the bottom and the grading on the top, and with the thin side following the stone in the top. You can decide which way you want to install them, but that's how I install them. So let's take this one, put a pivot screw through it, pivot screw right through the bottom all the way. Let's take another pivot screw through the top, through the stone holder, all the way through to the other side. And on this side we'll install our little pivot nuts. So now one side is complete. We'll do exactly the same on the opposite side. We'll put the numbers facing on the bottom, the extension thin side on the top of the stone holder, and the other one on the bottom side. We'll start by installing the angle adjuster. Again, long side into the stone holder, all the way in, short side into the main base bottom part there, all the way in and nicely aligned. And we'll take our angle guide, top and bottom, pivot screw right through all the way, pivot screw right through all the way, and install our nuts on the opposite side. And that is the basic setup of the Leading Edge V-Sharpener. To use it, you basically use these threaded bars, rotate them one way or the other way to adjust your angle. As you can see right now, this is all the way down and it's aligned with approximately 35 degrees. So let's set this one on, let's say the next long line will be 30 degrees, 25, 20. And let's set this one on, just for practice sake, 22.5 degrees, which is the short line just beyond 20. Same thing on this side. Let's adjust it. Now it's on 30. Sorry, that's 25 now, and that would be 22.5, the short line between the 20 and the 25. So now both sides are set up to 22.5 degrees, sharpening side on each side of your blade. You call that 22.5 degrees per side. You take your favorite sharpening stone. Obviously you need two of the same stone. Loosen this up. Install your sharpening stone in the slot. Align it and snug it up. Same thing on the opposite side. Install your sharpening stone in the slots. Align it and snug it up. And now you basically place this flat on a table. You can hold it on one side or the other side with whatever hand you're using, or you can clamp it onto a table if you like with a C-clamp, the side of a table. I prefer just to hold my hand on it. You can also install some rubber feet on it on the bottom if you prefer a slightly more grippy surface. And right now, if I sharpen this knife, I'll hold it on one side, I'll try and hold the knife as straight as possible, obviously not angled, and basically just a cutting motion downwards all the way to the center, downwards all the way to the center, downwards. And it's very important to try and hold your knife as straight as possible. Obviously this won't be absolute perfect angle because it depends on how you hold your knife. Just demonstrate these V-nav dual-sided stones on here, just to show that they clamp just as well as any other 6-inch stone. I'll pop them in there. Align them and snug it up. Opposite side. Align and snug them up, and they're in there just as tight as any other stone. And that's the Leading Edge V-Sharpener, available on gritomatic.com.